Halal Chicken Stew. It's hearty, flavorful, and easy enough for any night of the week. We're talking tender chicken, rich broth, and bold spices in one spot. Stick around because this one gonna be fire. Let's create halal chicken. And halal is a way of butchering, Muslim way. I'm not Muslim, but I like how they do it. Putting the religious aspect aside, I like the mechanic that they apply when they're butchering the animals. And with chicken, they take the blood, all the impurities. They treat the animal with respect. They're, grass fed, free range. And another important thing is that they don't witness other animals getting slaughtered. Therefore, they're not stressed out. And when an animal is stressed out, that you can taste it when you are cooking it and eating the animal. That's what I like, this kind of chicken. I have I bought a whole chicken, took out the fat out for this particular recipe. And I'm cooking about maybe 70-80% of the chicken, some legs, a wing here and there. Cut it further, the breast, the thighs, even a little bit of the neck. And what I'm doing, I'm just putting some salt on it. I don't have to go crazy because this is going to be a stew, a delicious stew. So I'm putting some salt just to start, okay? So I'm preheating this with some extra virgin olive oil. Let me lower the heat from high to a couple notches above medium. Let me put some salt here, some sea salt. Sprinkle some sea salt. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give some character to the chicken, kind of brown it out. Not fry it, just, give it some character. And put some of the leg here. It's going to take a couple trips. Put the wing. I'm going to brown it for a few minutes, okay? Both sides. About 3 or so minutes later, going to flip it. Do the same on the other side, okay? There's no fry or nothing. Just a little character, right? Some color. About 3 minutes later, remove them, put them aside, okay? Now I have my pot, cast iron. You can use a Dutch oven too, doesn't matter. So I'm going to use some of the oil or the fat that I already used for the chicken. Stuff is hot. Transfer here. Going to put some onions, chop. You can put up to half an onion. I went with a quarter. Mix it up. I have a handful of cilantro. So I'm creating some sort of sofrito. Some fresh oregano. Not a lot. About a tablespoon. Maybe a couple teaspoons. 6 or 7 teeth of garlic chopped. This is going to go for a few seconds because you don't want the garlic to burn. So move it around. I've got a ripe tomato which I cut, very ripe. Mix this up. Medium heat. I have 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Let me add it there. Let's move things around. And now I have some annatto, ground annatto. I'm going to put a teaspoon. Let's make it 2. Sprinkle around. And then mix it up again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the chicken now, okay? I'm going to mix everything up. I have 4 cups of chicken stock. You can use chicken broth, you can use water, but I'm going with the chicken stock. 4 cups to start, okay? You're going to add more because there's more stuff you need to add to this. Let me increase the heat to medium high. I have a mix here where I use some salt, just a little bit, half a teaspoon, then a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of coriander, and I also did a teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix it up together. And I put it now because I want this to start absorbing those ingredients' taste. I have here something that I'm not going to add yet, which is a potato, some turnips, a couple small turnips, some chunks of pumpkin, and a couple of carrots, which I'm going to add later. That's what I'm going to need more stock, broth, or water, okay? So I'm going to add that now. Let's give this a taste. Tastes pretty good, actually. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let it go for 40 minutes, okay? 40 minutes. Couple notches above medium. So it's been about 40 minutes. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move it around a little bit. Oh, this looks so beautiful. And I'm going to add the potatoes, carrots, turnip, and pumpkin. See, pumpkin leave the peel on. Add these babies. I'm working with one hand here because I'm recording. So be careful. Mix things up. Oh yeah, have enough broth or stock. And I'm going to cook this baby for about 30 minutes, okay? In addition to that, optional, I have some dry lemons. I'm going to add them. Give them the nice citric touch. You can order them. Dry lemons. So you can dry them yourself or go to Muslim or Arab, Middle Eastern type store and buy them too. But they add a nice touch, so I like them. And I'm also going to add some cinnamon, about a tablespoon. Give it a touch, okay? And I'm going to go and let this baby cook at medium heat for about 30 minutes, okay? And here we have it. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Yep. Let me see. Carrots are soft, so it's ready.